Change Google Photos locked folder password. A full guided. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to change Google Photos locked folder password. The locked folder in Google Photos is a secure space on your device where you can hide sensitive photos or videos. It is protected by your device's screen lock PIN, password, or biometrics. You cannot set a separate password for the locked folder. It always uses your phone's lock method. To start, open the Google Photos app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. In the bottom line, reach the Collection tab. Here, you will find the locked folder. Now, tap on it and you can set up your locked folder. Next, go to the Settings app and find the Face and Passcode option. After that, enter your mobile phone passcode. You can change your passcode or reset your Face ID. These two are directly related to your Google Photos locked folder. To change your passcode, enter your current passcode and add the new passcode. It will change the Google Photos locked folder password, as your lock screen password is your lock folder password. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.